अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर एस्पायरेंट्स। हमारा आज का टॉपिक CSS 2023 के करंट अफेयर्स का है, जो कि क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है। पिछली वीडियो में हमने करंट अफेयर्स का 2023 का जो टॉपिक क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 डिस्कस किया था। अभी हम क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 डिस्कस करने लगे। क्वेश्चन है, द UN क्लाइमेट समिट COP-27 इन शर्म एल शेख इजिप्ट डिस्कस्ड पाकिस्तान's catastrophic summer floods exacerbated by the climate change, and the country is facing imminent threat of the epidemics and other multi-dimensional dangers. Discuss the COP-27 roadmap to face the challenge of climate change and proposed measures for the reconstruction and rehabilitation of Pakistan. The United Nations Climate Summit COP-27 held in Sharm el Sheikh, Egypt, focused on the impact of climate change on countries like Pakistan, which are facing catastrophic consequences, including summer floods and the threat of epidemic. The COP-27 summit aimed to create a roadmap for countries to face the challenges of climate change and to establish measures for the reconstruction and rehabilitation of the affected countries. Now we are moving towards one of the proposed measures for the reconstruction and rehabilitation of Pakistan was the creation of a climate fund, which would provide financial support to the countries facing the impacts of climate change. This fund would be used to support the implementation of climate resilient infrastructure and the development of climate smart agriculture. Another proposed measure was the promotion of sustainable energy sources such as wind and solar energy in order to reduce the dependence on fossil fuels, which are a major contributor to greenhouse gas emissions. The COP-27 summit encouraged countries to invest in renewable energy technology and to provide technical and financial assistance to countries in need. In addition, the COP-27 summit also emphasized the importance of disaster risk reduction and the need for country to improve capacity to respond to natural disasters such as floods and hurricanes. This would involve investing in early warning systems and improving infrastructure, such as building stronger levees and the dams to prevent floods. The COP-27 summit also discussed the importance of sustainable urbanization and the need for cities to adapt to the impacts of climate change. This would involve incorporating green spaces, improving public transportation, and promoting sustainable building practices. In conclusion, the COP-27 summit provided a roadmap for the reconstruction and rehabilitation of the countries affected by climate change, such as Pakistan. The proposed measures included the creation of a climate fund, the promotion of sustainable energy sources, the importance of disaster risk reduction, and the need for the sustainable urbanization. These measures aim to reduce the impacts of climate change and help countries become more resilient to its effects. थैंक यू सो मच। मिलते हैं क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 करंट अफेयर्स 2023 में। अल्लाह हाफिज़।